Alright, so I guess. Hi guys. My storage was full. So, puppy just be. No, puppy. Now I'm gonna go refill this cup because my storage was full and I couldn't do that one. So, yeah, as you know, this is how to kill hiccups. You'll see in the title. I have to count how many ways. Anyway, I'll be back. Love you. Alright, I'm back and I'm ready for first one. You have to suck on an ice cube for as long as you want. Just be long. Tastes like grass. And then now, and then the next way is to drink a very hot water, like no stopping, no breathing, no nothing in between it. This is hard. I wish I could breathe in between it. I have to try this. Cheers. I'm dead. Oh my gosh. I'm tired. And then next one, hard to remember, but yeah, it's gonna be different parts. Seriously, don't judge me. Oh, it's been a minute. Excuse me. Excuse me again. Now I have to drink some ice cold water. I don't think it's non-stop, but I'll try it. That's cold. Too much drinking water. You know this is part 1, right? Because this has only been like 2 minutes and yeah. I need a break. Oh. Bye.